Whether it's earnings, profits, or cash flow, understanding how an initial value changes as costs, revenues, or adjustments are added can be challenging. That's where waterfall charts, also called cascade charts or bridge charts, come in. They clearly show how a starting point is impacted by a series of positive and negative values, helping you explain the how behind the numbers. With Drivetrain, you can build interactive waterfall charts in minutes. They help you quickly explain how revenues turn into profits, how actuals differ from plan, or how costs build up in a project. Let's walk through two examples, a revenue to EBITDA waterfall chart, and then a variance waterfall comparing revenue plan and actuals. Here's a revenue to EBITDA waterfall chart. Each bar tells part of the story. Revenue as the starting block, floating bars for COGS and operating expenses, subtotals like gross profit, and EBITDA as the final block. You can click on any bar to see the underlying data, values coming directly from your ERP or data source, helping you trace numbers, verify logic, and gain deeper insight. Building this is simple. Create a new report and choose Waterfall. In the side panel, you'll see two options, buildup or variance. We will use buildup here to show how revenue flows to EBITDA. Next, add your metrics in the order you want them to appear. I'll add revenue, COGS, gross profit, R&D, G&A, S&M, and EBITDA. You can easily reorder the order by drag and drop. Some values, like COGS and expenses, need to be inverted to they subtract instead of add. Gross profit can be marked as a subtotal. Finally, let's set EBITDA as the ending block. Switch to the Appearance tab to customize the chart. Add data labels, display connecting lines, and update colors to match your brand guidelines. You can pick from the palette or enter hex codes. Give the chart a title and description, and optionally add filters, for example, by scenario. Click Save, and your waterfall chart is ready. Now let's look at the second type, a variance waterfall, useful for explaining differences between plan and actuals across dimensions. Take this example. In August, the revenue plan was 10 million, 2 million from Australia, 3 million from the UK, and 5 million from the US. Actuals came in at 2 million from Australia, 4 million from the UK, and 2 million from the US. In the variance waterfall, we start with the plan of 10 million. The UK adds 1 million as a positive variance. The US subtracts 3 million as a negative variance. Australia is flat, showing no variance. The final block is actual revenue at 8 million. This visual makes it instantly clear which regions drove the variance and by how much, something that's hard to explain with just a table. With Drivetrain's waterfall charts, you can explain the story behind your numbers, whether it's a buildup from revenue to profit or a variance between plan and actuals. They're flexible, interactive, and save hours of manual storytelling.
And that's how easily you can create and share waterfall charts in Drivetrain. Powerful, yet simple.